Meaning of Earl's Court.
Earl's Court.
Earl's Court.
Earl's Court.
Earl's Court. Earl's Court is a district in the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea in London, England. The name Earl's Court derives from the fact that the area was once owned by the Earls of Oxford. Today, it is primarily known for its exhibition centre, which hosts a variety of events throughout the year, including concerts, trade shows, and sporting events. Additionally, Earl's Court is home to a diverse range of shops, restaurants, and pubs, as well as several notable landmarks, such as the Art Deco-inspired Earl's Court Station.